Why do I need a will? You might be asking yourself this question. Whether you're 80 years old and have many children and grandchildren, or you are 18 years old and have nothing to your name, it is a good idea to have a will. While there are many reasons why you might want a will, why do you really need one? Without getting too much into the complexities of estate planning, here are 3 reasons why you should have a will. Number 1, being proactive can save you time, money, and mental peace of mind. Many people find the idea of death and dying hard to face. For some, it comes after a long life. For others, it can come when they least expect it. It's for this reason that it is a good idea to be prepared. It's easy to put off making a will. I have time. I don't have anything right now that anyone would want. I don't want to have to pay for something that might change down the road. These are common thoughts people have when it comes to making a will. While these statements may be true now, it's a reality that no one knows when their time will come. Do what you can now so that you can rest easy knowing that you've taken steps to ensure that your property is taken care of and that you won't have to worry about it later. Number 2, having a will allow your property to be distributed how you want. Outside of gifting property during your life, having a will is the best way to directly give your property to whomever you'd like once you pass away. It allows you to decide which property goes to which person or group of people. It allows you to have agency in the distribution of your property. When a person dies without a will, the government distributes their property based on a set of rules in the law. This is called intestacy. When the government distributes your property through intestacy, there's little room for giving property to the people that you want and keeping property away from those people that you don't. A common reservation that people have about making a will is deciding to whom you will give your property. Maybe you don't want to create arguments in the family. Maybe you don't have anyone in mind for a particular piece of property. These are all valid concerns. However, it is your property. No one else can tell you how to give it away. But if you don't do anything with it, the law gets to decide. Number 3, ease of probate process. You've heard the stories. You've heard how long and complicated probate can be. No one wants to follow up the death of a loved one with a lengthy and sometimes hostile probate process. Although having a will not keep your estate from going through probate, it will speed up the process and make the court's job easier. This means that there will be a more streamlined way for the court to distribute your property. Having a will also prevent Indian land from falling out of trust status. When it comes to Indian land held in trust, the government requires that the land go to an eligible heir. Generally, this means that the land will go to the next Indian of kin, but it could end up going back to the tribe or even losing its status as land in trust. If you have trust land, it is extremely important to have a will that gives land to another Indian. Proactive estate planning is important for making sure that your property is passed on the way that you would want. No one can prevent death, but you can prepare for it. Hopefully these 3 reasons I've given you have given you a good idea of why you need a will and can help you decide if making one is right for you. My name is Zachary Waldrop with the Oklahoma City School of Law and the American Indian Wills Clinic. Thank you.